Hey everyone, if you're trying to download your resume from resume.com and it's not working, like the download button is stuck or the PDF won't save, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix resume.com download problems in 2026. First, refresh the page and try again. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary glitch that fixes itself. Next, check your internet connection. I mean, an unstable connection can stop the PDF from generating or downloading properly. Disable your pop-up blocker. Resume.com may open the download in a new tab, and blockers can prevent it. Try using another browser like Chrome or Edge. I mean, some browsers may interfere with download functionality. Clear your browser cache. Old stored data can sometimes break the download process or stop it from generating files. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers. I mean, these can block scripts needed for downloading resumes. And finally, try a different download format if available. Switching formats can sometimes solve the problem instantly. So, yeah, those are the best ways to fix resume.com download problems. Follow each step carefully, and you should be able to download your resume without any issues. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy fixes. Hey,